Today is Monday, and it's right after Kayla and I hosted a dinner here. So the house is kind of in a bit of a mess. I'm not particularly good with cleaning and staying on top of cleaning, so one of the things that have really helped me is to have a set reset day. And on that day is when I do a lot of cleaning. And I try to do it once a week so that doesn't start to pile up and become a huge chore. So for today's video, that's what I'm going to do, is going to show you what I do for a reset day. And this helps me for the rest of the week, and it really sets a tone for getting things done and clearing my mind of all the the noise, I guess, of the household so that I can focus on tasks like launching my website and selling my soaps and making products. But before all that, of course, I have to have a cup of coffee. I need my energy. I gotta make a to-do list that also helps to keep me on task and to help me remember what I need to do. So let's get started. I have to strip the bed, baby girl. I have to wash the sheets of this bed. Come on, Dempsey. All right, let's have you up. There you go. I start by stripping my bed and washing my sheets. As you can see, we share this bed with our dogs, so we probably wash our sheets more often than most people. Next up are bathrooms. This house is very dated and the bathrooms are all really tiny. When rooms are small, it's really important to stay on top of cleaning, as mess and dirt seem to collect a lot faster in small spaces. The bathrooms in this house will probably be the first big renovation Kayla and I do in this house, but we are fine as they are now. For my reset days, I like to wipe down everything. You'll be surprised how much dirt can collect on objects that we handle every day. Reset day also means all of the towels and mats in the home get washed. So after I clean each room, I collect all of the towels and mats and put them in a big pile to get laundered. Each room also gets a good vacuum to collect all of the stuff I wiped off of the counters and any dirt that's collected. Because of my pets, I actually try to do this daily, but if I don't get to it, that's okay. That's why having a reset day is awesome, because tasks that get left undone have a day that's dedicated that you can make time for it. Decluttering and tidying is also a great reset day task. Small messes, if left alone, can grow into big ones if left ignored, so I try to tidy as I go. And yes, that includes my husband's stuff too. This is our office, and both my husband and I work from home. This room is used a lot, so as you can see, it definitely gets cluttered and dirty fast. I like to work from the top down, dusting the tops of the shelves so that any dust that falls can be wiped away and vacuumed later. Any objects that are sloppily put away, like this camera bag, I like to tuck them back into place. It's one of those little things that if you make it into a habit, it just becomes automatic and makes a big difference in how tidy a room feels. A reset day is a good time also to wipe down all of your screens. Computer screens collect dust so easily, so giving them a good wipe with some screen cleaner is quick and keeps surfaces shiny. I like to tackle all of the stainless steel on my reset days. I use a dedicated stainless steel cleaner and wipe down the surfaces with a paper towel. Yes, that includes the trash can, which can often be forgotten and overlooked. And with the whole house clean and ready for a new week, my husband cooked a fantastic dinner of pork roast in the oven.
I'm gonna start with the pork. What about you?
Probably start with the pork. The star of the show. You like it?
It's juicy.
Perfect.
Mm-hmm.
This might be the best pork chop you've ever made.
It's tasty. How come Jiggy never sits with me?
I don't know. I have to wash the sheets of this bed. Come on, Dempsey. Dempsey, come on. Out. Off. Off. Come on. Okay. Come on. We're gonna have to go this way. Yep. Come on. Come on. Okay, let's go. Come on, sweet girl. Come on. Can you take that out, or I thought that was there permanently? Does that come out? There you go. There you
Gosh.
go.